The title of this mini podcast is Be Afraid of the Dark. Ask anyone who's made it through a dark night of the soul, and they'll tell you it wasn't the darkness that saved them. It was a glimmer of light, a tiny spark that showed them the way out. For a lot of people, it's the morning sun that clears out their night. But for others, it stays dark. No matter how bright the day is outside, inside, it's always midnight without a star in the sky. This message is for them. In my experience, people stuck in darkness tend to double down on it. They feed it with what they read, what they watch, the stories they defend, the doom they keep repeating, and by what they don't do, which is seek the light. But here's the good news. You can start walking in a brighter direction by setting your darkness down, just for a day. Turn off the bad news. Don't click that depressing headline. Let go of the need to argue about how bad everything is. You don't even have to believe that things will get better. Just stop reinforcing the dark. Open the curtains. Step outside. Let the sun hit your face. Make some room, and the light will show up. One thing I've noticed about people who feel stuck in the dark is this. They often say they have nothing to look forward to. That belief, it'll trap you. So start small. Order something on Amazon. I'm serious. Imagine opening it, using it, enjoying it. That's something to look forward to. It's a small step, but it's in the right direction. It takes action to find the light, but once you do, you'll find yourself living more in the day and less in the night. All the best, John.